Hello everyone, I'm Hannah Jasmine Santos and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now let's go in our experiment number 16, which is BCD to 7 segment decoder. So this decoder's operation is quite straightforward. The IC interprets the BCD code across its input pins and outputs a code to light up the required segments in 7-segment LED display. These are many segment decoder display driver ICs available today. This experiment uses the 74LS47 IC, which is electrically identical to the 74LS247. The main difference is that the LS247 displays the digits 6 and 9 with tails. So now, let's do it in our multi-sim simulator. Let's go! So, hello everyone, we here again in the multi-sim simulator for our experiment number 16. So you can see here that there is 4 switch and 7 resistor that has a value of 470 ohms with 5% tolerance. So this is our IC 74LS47, the ground, and the 7-segment LED display. So now let's go to connect the circuit shown. So first, we will connect this in the number 4, also the 3. The number 8 is for our ground. We will connect this here. And next, let's connect the switch. So this D1 is connected in 7. D2 is in number 1. D3 number 2, and D4 is for the number 6. So here in resistor, you can see here 16, 13, 12, 11, 10. So for R1, so R1 is for number 15. R2, number 14. So for R3, that is 13. R4, 12. R5, 11. And R6 is 10. Then R7 is for the number 9. Then the number 16 here is also connected in the 5 volts. Okay, so also this one, this is connected here. And we will connect the resistors in the 7-segment LED display. So for R1, that is for letter F. Then R2, letter G. Then here in the R3, that is for the letter A. R4 for letter B. Then so on. Okay, so next, we will now connect the D1 to D4 in the positive and the negative, which is ground. So here, and in the positive, so this. Okay, so for able, to show the number 0 here in our 7th segment display, we will connect also the number 5 here. Okay, so next, let's check. So okay, so turn off the power to the trainer and double check your work to ensure that everything is in order before proceeding with the experiment, or simply before we run this simulation. So let's run and let's see what will happen next. So now, after we run, you can see that our D1 to D4 is at logic 0, and it display the number 0 here in our 7th segment. So next, we need to fill up the table. So let's check. We need to verify the display on the 7th segment. So if 0, 0, 0, 0, that is 0. And if D4 is at logic 1, that will be a number 8. And when D3 is at logic 1, that is 4. And when D3 and D4 is at logic 1, okay, you will see this. And when D2 is at logic 1, 2, yan, 4, D1, 1, okay. So that is for our experiment number 16, which is BCD to 7th segment decoder. I hope you learn how to simulate this using multi-sim, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.